So hi, this is Mind Malik from Ahmedabad, and I am here with the basic backend concept, and I will perform here MongoDB queries, basic MongoDB queries. Okay, so let me save my screen and let's start. Okay, so you can see here the notes I have created while I was learning the commands. So according to these notes, I will be perform CRUD operation, how to create collection or docs in the database and read the database, update and delete. Okay, so let's start our command prompt. Okay, it is there. Okay, now for starting also I have to connect my database, MongoDB database, with using MongoDB Compass. Let me start it and let's connect. Okay, just click on connect. It will start. Okay, now it is starting. So I have some the collection already. Okay, some databases. Okay, so let me now very first command is mongoose. Okay, after doing this command, we can see the connection is established. Okay, so let's start. So very first command is, okay, let's go to our nodes, and you can see very first is for showing DBs, how many DBs and which named DBs are present in our database. So we can check using so dbs. Okay, so let me give so db. Okay, so you can see in dbms I have this number of the dbs, and after if I want to use any of them, so I will type here use. For example, I want to use this library db. Okay, so I will just write library use and library. Okay, and if I hit enter, so you can see library. Now here library is coming. Okay, and for example, in my database I want to create a new database, like for example marvel. Okay, so marvel is not there. Okay, but when I do use marvel, so first it will find any marvel name database is present or not. If it is present, so it will direct use it, and if it is not present, so it will create a new database. Okay, so now Marvel name database is created. But if I check again, so DBs, it will be not come here because the Marvel DB I have created just now, and no any collection and docs are present in this Marvel. So it will be not come here because there is no data in Marvel. Okay. So our first two command is done. So DBs for showing DBs. Second, for create any DB or use any existing DB. So just simply use and the DB name. For example, I have used here Marvel and okay. So now let's take a collection. Okay. So for Marvel, we have not any collection. So let's use library. Okay. So now I have switched to the DB library. Okay. For clearing this terminal, just use CLS. Okay. And I want to show collections inside this library DB. So collections. Okay. Now you can see in the library, I have a two collections, fictional and non-fictional. Okay. So let's go to step by step how to check collection. So just simply write a show collection. Okay, now how to create a collection. So you can see here db.create collection and the name of the collection. Let's perform it. So in library we have already two collections. Let use our new marvel db. Okay, so now let make any collection. So command is db dot now is the command is create collection. Okay, so create, C is a capital, and create collection. Okay, same as create collection and the parentheses, and uh, inside parentheses string, and inside any name. For example, I will give Thor. Okay, I am gonna create a Thor collection. So just hit enter and it is come as the okay one. It means my collection is created. Now let's see show collection. Okay, so Thor is the collection I have created is coming. Okay, now let's create any other collection. Create collections. Okay, and for example, Loki collection. Okay, it is one, and again so collections. Now two collections are there in my Marvel database. Okay, now let's see next what is there. So how to insert one doc inside collection. Okay, now create or insert any doc. For example, db.collection name and insert one. Command is db.collection name and insert one. So let's perform. So db dot collection name, for example, let's take a Loki, and what is that? Insert one. Okay, so dot insert one, insert one. Okay, and now inside this insert one means only one doc or object I can insert. Okay, so for example, series Loki is a series, so I can take a name, uh, Loki season 1. Let's write season 1. Okay, and then inside here, hero, for example, is a Loki itself, and for example, villain, who he remain, who he remains, and release date year, maybe 2020. Okay, so db dot data collection name Loki, and this db is referred to whatever db name is present here. For example, this is a Marvel, so it will refer the Marvel. So db dot Loki is a collection name, and insert one, only one doc I will insert, and then just hit enter. So you can see acknowledge true and the insert or id. It means my operation is insert operation is done, and it is stored with this id, and this id provided by the MongoDB, very unique id to identify other objects. Okay, now let's see the next thing, how to check docs of the collection. It means how many data and which kind of data are present in our collection. So for that I have, what is the command? Let's see. So this is the db dot collection name and dot find. Okay, so this is the what syntax. So let's try db dot. I have insert in Loki. So db dot Loki, then find. Okay, let's hit enter. So you can see I have insert only one. So you can see the one doc is coming. Okay, now let's put any other. For example, Loki season 2. Hero is already Loki, and villain is Sam, but it is 2022. Okay, okay, acknowledge true object id, this, and let's see, and let's again check db dot Loki find. So you can see now two collection, two dogs are there in my collection. Okay, it is done. And now next thing is filtering. Okay, no. Before printing, there is a one insert many docs. Okay, if I want to insert a multiple docs, so let's insert multiple docs in a thought. Okay, so for that syntax is db dot the collection name. The collection name is what is the collection name? Thought. Okay, thor dot insert many. Okay, and after this syntax, parenthesis and the array, parenthesis and the array. Okay, and after it, inside this I have to push, I have to insert documents. So for example, give as a name, uh, Thor Love and Thunder. Okay, and year, maybe I don't know exact year, so let me just uh 2019. I don't know perfect year. And then hero, obviously he, it is Thor. Okay, this is the first is created, and second one is name, like Thor Wagner record. I don't know the spelling. Okay, there is a long time I have seen it. Name and then year, maybe 2021, and then hero also Thor only. Thor. Okay, so let's hit enter, and you can see both our objects are inserted in the my Thor collection. Okay, now let's see see the doc. So for that, db dot Thor collection name dot find, find. Okay, if I hit enter, so you can see there is a two documents inside my Thor collection. One is Love and Thunder, and second one is Thor Ragnarok. Okay, so let me, okay, so this is the what, in how to create and insert the data in a db. Okay, so first thing is done, and also reading is done. For reading purpose, what we do db dot collection name dot find and the parenthesis. So using this word, reading is also done. So in third operation we have done create means insert, and second one is reading using a find. Okay, now let's see next. Okay, filtering. Okay, So for printing, for example, I want to whatever movie of the Thor is released in the year 2019. I want it. Okay. So how to perform it? Let's check. First, check the syntax. So syntax is db dot, and the fictional is means the collection name, and dot find, and whatever filtering, like whatever filter I want. You can see inside find parenthesis, enter whatever you want to find and do filter. Okay. So let's try db dot thor dot find. Okay. Syntax is same till find, and inside find one curly braces. Okay. Open curly braces, close, and I want year 2019, 2019, and hit enter. So you can see whatever the in 2019 movie is released, it is there. Okay, it is done. Now, for example, in Loki, let's in Loki db dot Loki, L capital Loki dot find and enter year, not year. Let's do something else. So okay, there is only one thing is okay. So okay, Loki season 2 with name. Let's do name is Loki S2. Loki, oh my bad. Loki S2. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so Loki season 2 is coming. Okay, so this is how we do filtering. Okay, so next is filtering is done. Now updation. Updation deletion is part remain. Let's see. So for updation, there is a must use set. Okay, dollar set. Okay, so we will see update one. There is also thing update one, update many. Okay, so db dot fictional dot update one. This is the what syntax. So let's see. So I want to update whatever I want to update. Okay, let's update anything. For example, uh, in Loki, I want to update the year. Okay, so let's first, what is the syntax? db dot collection name is Loki dot update one. First, update the one. Update one. Okay, and parenthesis. And inside parenthesis, first is filtration. Okay, means what we have to give identifier. You can see here identifier. I have to give first any unique thing whatever are present inside that particular doc. Okay, so let me give here. So first two parenthesis, sorry, curly braces, and inside first is identifier. So I want name Loki 2. So Loki S2, and I want to update its year. So let's do dollar set, and okay, dollar set. Now I want to update the year now. So year I want 2024. Nah, 2023. Okay, okay, it was released in 2023. So maybe okay, now it's done. Set, enter new data. Okay, so I have entered. Okay, so you can see acknowledge true. It means it is done. Insert ID null. We are updating the dogs is existing inside the collection. It means no new any ID. Like in this when we are inserting, so it is come as a insertion ID and one ID. Okay, but here we are updating existing one. We don't need to generate a new ID. Okay, so that's why it is coming as a null. Match the account one, modifying count one. It means one with a name Loki S2 identifier is matched and it is updated. Okay, so now our update one is done. Okay, now I want to let's do with update menu. Okay, so let's do with db dot not Loki. Now let's do for a Thor dot update menu. Okay, update menu. So in update many same thing. First is the identifier. Whatever is common, all them. Okay. So common is hero is Thor. Okay. So hero. So I want hero Thor. Wherever hero is Thor. Okay. So now very first thing, don't forget to use set. Okay. Okay. Done. So set is done, and let's do Thor is that. Okay. Let update the no, not any updation. Let's do add a new field. Okay, this set keyword handle the two things, put and patch. Put means add something to the object with new keyword, new key. Okay, and patch is for only update the value. This set handle the both of the cases. Okay, so let's do for example I do what to okay. Okay, so village, no village, live, where he is living, live. uh, as card, as card. Okay, so it's location, sorry, let's as card location. Okay, so let's enter it. Okay, where is where okay, so how many has a hero thought? So two dogs has a hero thought, and it will set is all them location as card. Okay, so now you can see acknowledge true. It means it is done, and the insert ID is null. And now it is matched count to two dogs are matched with hero thought. What is the identifier? It is matched with the uh, two dogs and modification count, and it is update and it has updated two dogs. Okay, now let's see read the data that. So db dot thor dot find. Okay, enter. So you can see location sguard is successfully updated. Now let's see db dot collection name is loki dot find. I have update one now, so let's see. So in updated you can see here before I have used 2020, maybe any other 2022. Now it is coming as a 2023 because I have updated it. Okay, now this is done. Now last is db dot delete. Okay, so for delete, first we do delete one and then delete many. Both are syntax is same. We have to just enter a identifier. Okay, so first let's db dot thor dot delete one. Okay, so delete one and let's enter identifier. So I want to any one. So this name. Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, okay. What who whatever docs has this Thor Ragnarok, just delete it. Okay. So it will come as a acknowledge to deleted count one. It means one doc it is deleted. Now let's see db dot Thor dot find. Now only one doc will come. Okay, because one I have deleted. Now let's delete many. Use delete many. So db dot loki dot delete many, and inside this just as previous just enter. For example, I want to using hero is loki. Okay, so just delete it. You can see deleted count 2. So acknowledge true, deleted count 2. So this is the what for today, the CRUD operation. Okay, how to create, how to read. Also one more thing, filtration plus filtration I have done, and the update one, update many, delete one, delete many. So this is what for today. Thank you for watching. And this is the notes I have done. I have created for my revision later. So I will push it in GitHub. If you want this notes, so you can use. Okay. Okay. Thank you.